How to find square root of 676 by long division method. First make a pair from right hand side to left hand side. This is your first pair, this is your second pair. Okay, for first pair, look here, you have to consider here number whose square will be equal to 6 or nearest to 6. If you take here 3, then 3 square will be 9, which is greater. So your number should be 2. 2 goes into 6 how many times? 3 times. 3 times. So look, 2 goes into 6 3 times. This is not correct actually. If you place here 2, the same 2 must come to the quotient also. 2 times 2, 4. Subtract, you are getting here to bring down the next digit. Okay, if you place here, if you place a digit in the quotient, the same digit will come under the divisor, and we need to add 2 plus 2, 4. Now you have to take here a number and you need to multiply. If your product is equal to 256, 276 or nearest to 276, then your guessing number will be correct. So let me guess, the number is here is 6. The same digit must come here. So 6 times 46. 6 times 46. 6 times 6, 36. 3. 6 times 4, 24. 24 plus 3, 26. 6 times 6, 36, right? 6, carry 3 to the next column. So 4 times 6, 24, 24 plus 3, 24, 5, 6, 7. 276, look, which is product is equal to this. So our guessing number 6 is correct. 6 times 46, which is 276. Subtract, you are getting 0. As a remainder is 0, you are done. So our answer is 26. To check the answer, so we have placed here 6. So the same 6 will come here and add 6 plus 6, 12, write 2, carry 1 to the next column, 4 plus 1, 5, 52. The double of 26 is 52. So we can say that our answer is correct. The square root of 656 is 26.